Okay, so you have an LG remote that the roller is broken, and you want to get a quick fix for it. So all you have to do is just to get something like a blade and insert it at the top left corner, then dig it, then bend it. You get it to open by the side. Then you use something like you use debit card or something, and slide across to get the plastic off the hinges where it's hooked. So you go around. Once you get it out, you can now take them apart once all the so when you bring it out, you see the falling out roller. Most of the time it's broken. It gets broken from there's a tiny extended plastic that goes into the controller there. So you have to, if there's any remnant inside, you have to get something like a picker and get it off. Yeah, just get something to, pick it off, maybe a blade, a knife. You can just hook it up and pull it out. Yeah, just like that. So the idea is to get something that will represent that will also go into that slot where this came out. So you can decide to pick up the other part and glue it back, but most times it doesn't last for long. So what you have to do is to push out the panel out. Once you have the panel out, so you get something like the size of a toothpick. Your typical toothpick can fit into it perfectly. So some other person will actually use a toothpick and just mount it inside and connect it that way and use it. I've seen people do it that way. But if you have something like a plastic that is also flexible and strong a little, you can also use that. So right now, we'll have to drill a hole so that whatever we decide to use, let's say plastic or the toothpick, can go through that and extend so that we can actually have an extension, then plug it into that. Yeah, so once we are done drilling, now we can, if it's the toothpick, you can see, you can now push it through. But it's pulling out, so you need something that will stay permanently. You might decide to use a glue to fix it permanently if you cannot get something else. But for me, okay, now when you try to fix it, you say it goes in okay, so, and it clicks perfectly and fits okay. So the toothpick can actually serve if you want to use it. But for me, I have this plastic stuff that I scraped a little to fit into it and be tight. So I would use that for my own. So I push it through and so the plastic for me fits okay. So that's what I'm going to use. So it's nice to get it to go through. Now I've set it up. Can I test it? Yes, this fits perfectly, and it also clicks, and it's very strong. You can use your fast glue for this, and just apply a little at the edge just to, help you keep it fixed permanently. Then connect back the silicone roller, the silicone part of the roller, just like so. Now you connect everything back to the board, the PCB board, and make sure it fits perfectly and the roller well centered. When you're satisfied that everything is well centered, then you can now couple back the remote all together. By first placing the bottom part, then aligning the key pads to their various grooves and closing everything together, making sure they click. As you can see, the roller is now well aligned and it's connected and rolling freely as before. So now all we have to do is just connect the battery and test out the remote. Now testing out the remote, I can see that it's working okay. Now everything is fine. That's all.